theology and Aristotelian philosophy. So God as the transcendent good. God is not just good, he is goodness itself. So Aquinas borrows the Neoplatonic concept of a transcendent good, something good that exists before all other things. But for Aquinas, this is not an impersonal force, it's God. God is not just good, he is goodness itself, the source of all being and goodness. Everything exists because it pers- everything exists because it participates in God's being. Number 2. God as first and final cause. God's relationship to creation. So Aquinas used Aristotelian ideas to describe God's relationship to creation. God is the first efficient cause, means ang pinagmulan ng lahat ng bagay. Also, the final cause, the ultimate purpose or goal which towards towards which all things strive. Ibig sabihin, ang lahat ng bagay ay nagmula sa Diyos at naglalayong bumalik sa Kanya. So the third, creation as an act of love, not mechanism. Aquinas emphasizes that creation is not mindless, mechanical process. Ito ay isang kilos ng kalooban at pag-ibig ng Diyos. Ibig sabihin, ang lahat ng nilikha ay nakikibahagi sa kabutihang iyon. Kaya't ang lahat ng bagay, in one word, is mabuti or good. In perfect goodness and divine providence, only God is perfectly good. Aquinas argues that all beings are good because they are created by God. However, their goodness is imperfect, di sakdal, dahil limitado ang pakikibahagi nila sa walang hanggang kabutihan ng Diyos. God doesn't leave us in our imperfection. Ang banal na paggabay ng nagtuturo sa atin tungo sa ating pinakamataas na kabutihan, ang pagbabalik sa Diyos. This is not a mechanical process, but a loving act of God's will. Nature, potency, and act. Each being has a specific nature, a unique combination of form and matter determined by God. This nature is good but imperfect, possessing unrealized potential. Reaching perfection involves actualizing these potentialities, pagtupad sa ating kalikasan ayon sa nais ng Diyos. Human reason and path to God. Human uniquely reach God through reason and love. Ang ating kakayahang mga tuwiran ay isang kaloob ng Diyos. Isang kasakapan upang maunawaan siya at magsikap para sa pagkakaisa sa Kanya. This applies to individuals and humanity as whole. Divine governance and the community of being, guided by God's will and reason. The entire universe, as a community of beings, is guided by God's will and reason towards its ultimate end, ang pagbabalik sa Diyos. This is not a mindless process. It's a purposeful and loving act of divine governance.